Why people, welcome to Cook and Vibe. Yeah, my name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe, and you are the Cook and Vibers. Yeah, man. So today's something a little bit different. Went to an event. I didn't plan anything to film anything, but it just worked out. So today, people, right? We got a little live performance. You get me? It was a nice vibe. You get me? Big NARSTIE, big up Mist was in the crowd, vibes in. It was a real good time. We performed the Cook and Vibe anthem and a couple more tunes off the album, which you will see real soon. You get me? So just a little vibes. I thought I'd just put a little something together. It was kind of too good to just put out on Instagram. I thought, no, let me put this on video. You get me? Big up RiNGO VISION. Yeah, my brethren, man. Yeah, big up RiNGO VISION. You get me? He filmed the content for me and he sent it to me. I said, you know what? You're bad boy, RiNGO. I'm going to put this in an episode. So you can all thank RiNGO VISION for this episode. You get me? He made it possible. But I have got something to tell you before we get into today's episode, people. And I do mean this, all right? Unfortunately, I got some news. Unfortunately, and I do mean this, yeah. Unfortunately, I'm gonna be leaving the UK and I'm going to Jamaica. Why, people? That's right. We're flying out, man. We are flying out to Jamaica. It's finally happening. You get me? Everybody, I know, you know, this channel is about Jamaica. So we gotta go back to Jamaica. Do you know what I'm saying? So it gives me very good pleasure to tell you that we are going back to Jamaica. You get me? Big up Ben, Up and Coming Production, RiNGO VISION, the whole team. We're going out to Jamaica. You get me? So this season will finish at the end of April and we're just gonna kick-start it straight in May. We're gonna have no 4 weeks break. We're gonna have a 1 week break, right? And in that 1 week, we'll be flying to Jamdong. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. The beautiful, beautiful, beautiful island of Jamaica. I cannot wait. I'm going to be there for quite a long time. Okay, people? You're going to get a whole series in Jamaica. Yeah? Yeah, miss there? You're going to get a whole series in Jamaica. And the next season, the whole season in Jamaica. And you're going to get next season as well. We are working. Yeah, Ras Kitchen, Sunrise TV, Jamaica Food Boss. We're linking up everybody. We're doing a mad thing. You know what I'm saying? So yes, people, let's get into today's episode. Big up RiNGO VISION, Mist, NARSTIE, and the Secret Sessions. Why?
We are cooking vibe, but now we are cold alive. And it's the reason you tell me how you feeling. We are cooking vibe, but now we are cold alive. But there you're on the corner. Tell you breathe the talks and we smoking marijuana. Yes, we have a pot of cookie, yes, so it's no drama. Oh, we cooking rum, dumpling and green banana. Yes, we bought a soapfish, be a little time. Then we add some skelly and a little piece of thyme. Never get discussed on it, yes, as every time. I drink some nice sugar cane and add one piece of lime. Yeah. Couldn't to wood to keep the jerk, it's a aroma. Little pot of pepper, shrimp up on a quarter roller. Could it be the nice red peas in all the soup? Or maybe it's the okra, greens, I call it new. Maybe it's just the vibe we bring and that's the truth. Positivity, every time we pass through. Everybody up in love of Jamaican food. Could the curry go, chicken or even rose through. Them have the mango and the guinea smooth banana. And we got the star, apple, jackfruit and the guava. And we don't be cooking in the street. Could be cooking in the yard, could be cooking in the sea. Every day, you know we cooking like me GG's. And it's the reason. We are cooking vibe, we are cold alive. And it's the reason you tell me how you feeling. We are cooking vibe, because we are cold alive. So it's the reason you tell me how you feeling.
Get Miguel's jerk yard marinade. You make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why?
Like banjo, any funny business squad. No talk of the talk and Rambo. Hit up a fly like Janko, man, talk if we walk out and can go. Anybody that don't like me, you can suck out the mother like mango. Don't never run out the boat. Warrior. There ain't no warrior. Where's my warrior? Learn it. Girl, back it up, no tango. This you want play with it like banjo. Any funny business squad? You don't have to call me Rambo. Hit up a fly like Janko, man, call to go out, call and can go. Anybody that don't like me, you can suck off your mother like mango. Will never run out the boat. Never tell us something that running there ran home. Pay you the drama, smoking on Cali and grab away Fambo. I'm on school like Tango, man, don't do what I can go. Not step to them like I grade, I don't read that more like cilantro. So we're outside, take this clip in both side. Once on the south side, everyone know how girls don't go right. The one you're crazy, every time I touch on the beat, you're crazy. No, you was crazy, I mean, I want to get it, she acting lazy. Come on, you forgetting them jeans, yeah, oh, you forgetting them jeans. Look, there we go, why not be sitting there? One of y'all put it sitting there, need. Look, everybody wanna live life now. Mr. Free up the real OGs. Look, Cali and Dollar and Green. Look, brand new club of beat. Look, oh, you forgetting them jeans, yeah, oh, you forgetting.
Subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty. 5 seconds to press the like button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why, people? Yes, the Cook and Vibe Passion Fruit Hot Sauce is now available again. To get yours, just DM me on any social media or leave a comment.
Got yourself. One link, one connection. You see me? Yeah, man, RiNGO VISION, you done 19 cents. Secret sessions. Yeah, man, Stone Island, big up yourself. Sedway. I might move, you know? I'm gonna leave you with this. Yo! Yo! Fuck me, not give a fuck, me not give a God, make June bully, make the pussy talk. Big dirty face, I want your bully dog, I want the pussy. Have a conversation, money me a talk, money me a breathing, money me a charge. Yo, them ever talk on me copper, the gun shut up and on a liver, that's it, I'm a god. Why, we got yourself people, manners and respect.
Big up, big up. All my Cook and Vibers, just big up, big up. Yeah, man. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Why, people? Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Big up everybody. You know the thing already, man. I appreciate all of you. Yeah, trust me. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Something a little bit different. Trying to keep you entertained. I know I'm the same thing every single week, and the same thing. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Big up everybody, big up RiNGO VISION, Mist, NARSTIE, you get me, Calipo, the whole crew down there. Yeah, man, a good vibes. It was a good vibes. And it was also the first kind of promotion I've done of the Cook and Vibe Anthem since I've dropped it. You get me? If you haven't seen the Cook and Vibe Anthem music video, check it out right now.
I miss the greetings, we are Cook and Vibe, we are all of vibes. I miss the greetings, tell me how you're feeling. We are Cook and Vibe.
Cause we are full of vibes, can we say greetings and tell me how you're feeling? We are cool.
The link is in the description. You get me? So just click on the link and go watch that if you haven't already. And even if you have, just go and watch it again. You get me? Run up them views. And also that's taken off my album, which is also out. The link is also in the description. You get me? So yeah, big up section. Big up Robert Rosnack. I hope I pronounced that properly. He said, really enjoy watching your cooking videos. Bless up from Slovakia. And I love that. Do you know why I love that? Because you have to really check it out. A man in Slovakia is sitting watching a man in England cooking Jamaican food. Now, if that's not unity, I don't know what is. And that's what I love about Cook and Vibe. We bring cultures together, and I love that. Also, big up Kings081. He said, whilst you're in the med, which obviously means Mediterranean, get yourself over to Mallorca. It's really popping off. Just yet, I'll show you around Magaluf. I've got a bottle of your passion fruit hot sauce here and an oil drum barbecue built for some jerk vibes. Big up. Why, that sounds wicked, my bro. Yeah, as you know, we're going to Jamaica. So, yeah, but maybe, you know, I'm definitely, when we reach back from Jamaica, so you're going to get the next 2 seasons in Jamaica. And then, yeah, we'll try and do another season somewhere else. And definitely do like a little series like we've done with the turkey thing anyway. Yeah, man. So big up yourself, people. I'll see you soon. Why?